Now, there has been an overwhelming response to Luton Shelton's story of fighting to survive the disease ALS. Following last night's broadcast of TVJ's flagship football program, Centre Circle, the support for the former reggae boy has gone through the roof.
It was a tearful night for many who sat up to watch the former reggae boy's story and his fight to survive a disease that could be fatal. The story has been trending all over social media as Jamaicans near and far give their support for a man that once terrorized defenders. Former reggae boy defender Michael Johnson tweeted, "Really saddened to see this. My prayers and thoughts are with Luton Shelton, family and friends." Jovan Johnson, no relation to Michael, tweeted, "Your brain is still sharp, but your body is breaking down with ALS." Anthony Cole added his support by tweeting, "When everything fails, sports is what provide much needed solace as a nation. Let us all give a helping hand in whatever way we can." Dalton Myers added that Luton Shelton feature on Centre Circle is one of the hardest programs I have watched on TV. And Connolly Black said, "Restore him to full health, Lord." Shelton is now in Florida as his treatment for November has been fast forward to this week, and those who want help can get involved by one of two ways. There's an NCB account number 423-3150 that can be accessed across the island for those who want to use the bank. Or you can use GoFundMe at www.gofundme.com/Luton Shelton Fights ALS Disease. Meanwhile, Member of Parliament for Western Kingston Desmond McKenzie has committed $500,000 towards the health costs of Luton Shelton. And following the airing of last night's programme, Shelton posted a message on his Instagram page thanking supporters and well-wishers. Shelton's message read, "Thank you very much everyone. I really appreciate all the love and prayers. I really don't know how to thank you all." It went on to say, "I surely never saw this coming, but I have faith, so if there is life, there's hope." Reporting for TVJ Sports, I'm Simon Preston.